Hi, I already discussed CNF and GNF. Let's compare CNF and GNF in terms of derivation. So number of derivation to generate a string of length n in CNF equal to 2n minus 1. In GNF it is n. This is important. Already previous question asked from this. Let's see through an example. Here S tends to ASB or epsilon. A grammar is given and a string is AABB. Here length of the string is 4. Let's find the CNF and GNF for this. CNF will be S tends to AC or AB, C tends to SB, A tends to A, B tends to B. I already discussed how to find CNF and GNF with this same example. You can go through previous lecture. Then GNF will be H tends to ASB or AB, then B tends to B. Now we got CNF and GNF. Let's derive this string from the CNF. We need to derive AA, BB. So from AS we can derive AC or AB. From AB you can derive simply A or B. If we'll go this option, we'll simply derive AB. But we need to derive 2A followed by 2B. So that's why we'll go with this option. From S you can derive AC. Next from A you can derive this A, terminal A. So in place of A write terminal A. Then from C you can derive SB. So in place of C just write SB. As you need to derive AA, BB, already one A is done. Now for this we need to derive AB. So in place of S just write AB. Then from this A we'll derive terminal A. Then from this B we'll derive terminal B. Then from this B we'll derive terminal B. Now we got 2A, 2B. And how many steps we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did 7 derivation steps. And length was n. N was 4. And we found 7 steps. So 4 into 2 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that is 7. So just remember this formula directly. You can find how many derivation steps required. Let's derive this AABB from GNF and see how many derivation steps are required. So S tends to ASB. From this AB you can simply generate AB, but we need to derive 2A followed by 2B. That's why I will go with first option, ASB. Then in place of S you can write simply AB. As one A is done, we need to derive another A that can be derived from this. So just write AB. Next in place of B write terminal B. Then there is another B. So in place of B again write terminal B. We found AA, BB. So how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps are. What is length of the string? Length of the string is 4 and we got 4 steps. In case of GNF we require n step. Let's see another example. S tends to ASA, BSB or epsilon, and here string is ABBA, W length equal to 4. I am considering same length as you can compare. Okay. Now CNF for this grammar will be S tends to AC, BD, AA or BB. Then from C you can derive SA, from D you can derive SB. Then A tends to A, B tends to B. Then GNF will be S tends to ASA, BSB, AA or BB. Then A tends to A, this is a terminal A, this is a variable A. Then B tends to B. Now we got CNF and GNF. Let's derive this string from the CNF and GNF. First let me derive from the CNF. I need to derive A, B, B, A. Length is 4. I need to derive A, B, B, A. And A can be derived from A. So first variable should be A. Then here there are two productions with AAC and AA. If I will derive AA, then from this I can generate AA. But I need to derive ABBA. That's why I will go with this option. From S I will derive AC. Then from A you can derive terminal A. Then from C you can derive SA. For C, there is just one production, so just go with SA. Now A is done, we need to derive BB from S. So for BB, which option will choose? There are two options. For one is BD, another is BB. From this BB, you can generate BB. One B is for one terminal B, another variable B is for another terminal B. So in place of S, we'll write BB. Now from this B, you can derive terminal B. Then from this B, you can derive terminal B. Then from this A, you can derive terminal A. Now we got the string A, B, B, A. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We followed 7 steps to derive this string of length 4. So 4 into 2 minus 1, that is 7. In case of CNF, we require 2n minus 1 step. Let's derive from the GNF. Now this is the GNF grammar and we need to derive A, B, B, A. So there are two options for deriving A. One is ASA, another is AA. From this AA, you can simply generate AA. From S, we will derive ASA. Now A is done. Now we need to derive BB from S. For deriving BB, we should use this production. So in place of S, we will write B, B. B is a terminal, this B is a variable. Now from this B, you can derive terminal B. Then from this A, you can derive terminal A. Now we got the string A, B, B, A. How many steps we followed? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps we followed. And what is length of the string? Length of the string is 4. When length of the string is 4, we are following 4 steps to derive that string in case of GNF. Just remember this as a formula. In CNF, we'll cover 2n minus 1 step for deriving any string of length n. In case of GNF, we follow n step to derive a string of length n. So in case of GNF, there will be less derivation step. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.